AB Courtyard Patio Package, Vino. This patio package will fit on a 12 by 19 patio. These basic instructions can be modified to fit a different patio size. This layout will use the following blocks. As part of this construction, the AB Dublin block will need to be cut in half, and the raised rings will need to be removed using a hammer and chisel to allow for proper placement. When cutting the AB Dublin in half, use a saw with a diamond blade and adhere to safety standards. For more details on proper construction, see the AB Courtyard Reference Guide. This project includes 3 oversized posts. The first post to be built will be located in the corner. Start by placing corner blocks and create the first course of the corner post. Corner blocks have a long side and a short side. Place the long side facing out where possible to ensure no gaps appear between the blocks. Check for level and use shims if necessary. In the center of the post, place an additional corner block and a half-size cut Dublin block with the raised ring removed. The posts need to be filled in to support the top courses. Install the next course of the post so that they overlap the blocks below and the long sides are facing out where needed. This second pattern will offset the vertical seams. Follow the pre-designed pattern, finishing the center with another corner block and a half-cut AB Dublin with the raised ring removed. To determine the location of the second post, measure out the distance of the bench material. Our material is 60 inches long and will sit on the width of 1 block as part of the oversized posts. Once the location is determined, install the second post using 6 corner blocks in the pre-designed pattern with the long sides facing out and 1 in the center. Using the same steps, measure out the other direction on the corner post and install the third post with the same pattern. Install the next course of both sides of the post using the pre-designed pattern so that they overlap the blocks below, offsetting the vertical seams and the long sides facing out where needed. Using the same pattern of the first course, install an additional course on all 3 posts. Place the blocks so that the long sides are facing out to avoid any gaps. On the top 2 courses, the pattern will use 4 corner blocks with the long sides facing out. This will allow the area for the bench material to sit. Install 2 courses of the smaller post size, leaving the exposed blocks toward the inside of the project, offsetting the vertical seams from the course below. Finish the project with post caps. You can choose to secure them in place with masonry adhesive. Install the bench material. We have used cedar deck boards to create our seating. For a complete library of Courtyard how-to sheets, visit us at allenblock.com. And share your projects with us on social media. We'd love to see them.